Hi, this is your teacher Orla, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to use comparatives and superlatives in English. So, first of all, what are comparatives and superlatives? Well, comparatives and superlatives is about when you're comparing people, places, things, object, anything you want. The difference between them is that with comparatives, you're only comparing two people or two places or two things. Whereas with superlatives, you're comparing three or more people, places, or things. Basically, with superlatives, you're comparing one to a whole group. So let's start by looking at comparatives. So for comparatives, what you need to be aware of is you need to check the words that you're using when you're comparing the people or the places or the things. Are they short words or are they long words? For instance, if you're going to use a short word of one or two syllables like tall, short, small, then all you need to do is add ER at the end of the word. For example, Sheldon is taller than Leonard. If the word already ends with the letter E, like in the word strange, you just add an R, stranger. Sheldon is stranger than Leonard. If the word ends in Y, then the Y becomes I in the comparative. For example, Sheldon is luckier than Raj. Luckier, I-E-R at the end. If you have a longer word, for example, a word like sociable, intelligent, interesting, important, then you add more before the adjective. For example, Leonard is more sociable than Sheldon, or Leonard is more intelligent than Sheldon. When you want to compare two people or two places or two things and express that they are at a similar level, then you are going to use a comparative of equality, and you're going to use the words as, then the adjective, and then as again. For example, Howard is as weird as Raj, Penny is as pretty as Bernadette, and Leonard is as intelligent as Raj. As you notice here, it doesn't matter if the word that you're using is a short word like weird, if it ends in Y like pretty or lucky, or if it's a long word like intelligent. It works the same way. Finally, superlatives. So remember, superlatives is when you're actually comparing at least three things or three people or three places. You're comparing one to a group. So for example, if I want to compare Sheldon to the whole group of nerds, then I could say Sheldon is the tallest of all the nerds. So tall was a short word. To form the superlative, I add est at the end of the word, the tallest, the shortest, the smallest, or other examples of this. Now, if the word ends in Y, once again the Y becomes an I in the superlative. For example, with pretty, the prettiest, I-E-S-T. Penny is the prettiest in the building. She is the luckiest in the building. If the word is a longer word like tenacious, important, intelligent, then you will put the most in front of the adjective. For example, Sheldon is the most tenacious of the group. He is also the most intelligent. So, this is all for today. I hope that you understood this presentation on comparatives and superlatives and that it was clear for you. If you have any questions, we will look at them in class. Thank you. Bye.